Can you really buy a brand new home in downtown Kirkland for just over $1 million? Let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in downtown Kirkland, and this is one of the best location and most walkable neighborhoods in Kirkland. We're only 10 minutes away walking to the lake park and a lot of shopping and restaurants on that street. And this community is brand new. There are 22 townhomes built by local builder Mira. Most homes here are between 1,600 to 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. And this unit that I'm going to show you today is a corner unit, 1,600 square feet inside, very modern and luxurious. Let's go and check it out. So coming through the front door, then you will see the main living area right here. So this is a super open concept, the kitchen, the dining, and the family room. So after HB 1110 is out, we will see more and more, townhomes like this that looks exactly like those townhomes that was built a couple of years ago in Seattle. Whether you like it, that's debatable, but we will show you the home first. So this kitchen is luxurious and very modern. It uses the custom-built carpentry, and then they have quartz countertop, and then tile backsplash, and uses a lot of light color, so it is consistent with the natural light of this home. And the Bosch appliances are everywhere. They have like this built-in fridge, and then the built-in dishwasher. These are all Bosch, so very luxurious brand. And here is the dining area, and you are facing directly to those 3 big windows, very good natural light. While it lacks the privacy, so it better have some blinds as well. And here is kind of a family room, and you can make a playroom or a media room. And here actually it connects to a little balcony. So again, very low maintenance, and you can have a barbecue griller right here, or if you have a little pet, this is quite convenient as well. So now we're on the 3rd floor of this unit. There are 4 levels. So the main floor is what we just showed you, the kitchen, the dining, and the family room. And then the 2nd level is a guest bedroom with a guest bathroom. And this is the 3rd level where the primary bedroom is. And then the 4th level is actually a bonus room. Let me show you the primary bedroom first. So this room, the size of it is basically very similar to the guest bedrooms downstairs, but you can easily put in like a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, great natural light. You have windows on both sides of the wall, and then you can still fit in kind of a furniture right here. Not a lot of space, but it's very functional. And it's carpet on the flooring, very comfortable, but it's kind of high maintenance as well. Like I said, this level has its own air conditioning for your comfort. And let me show you the walk-in closet. So this basically, you walk through this walk-in closet and you go into the primary bathroom. So the primary bathroom has a lot of luxurious settings. For example, I really like the height of this cabinet, because the older homes, you have cabinets height is like this, right? So this is very comfortable, and it has marble or quartz countertop, and then it's kind of a floating cabinet and has lights right under it. So if it's, at night, you don't need to turn on those lights, it's automatic. And then they have a shower room with a glass door, very luxurious and modern. And I really like how it has the heated floor, so it keeps your feet really warm during winters. So now we're on the top floor, and this space, you can make it a bonus room, an office, or another bedroom, because it does have a closet and then a shower bathroom right there. And there's a door right here, you can close it, complete privacy. And what I like about it, it also has a balcony right here. So the balcony is kind of a standard size. You can put some couches and chairs, and if you are a plant lover, you can put some plants here. There's water right there. So after looking at this home, it reminds me of a lot of new townhome constructions that we've been seeing in Seattle all these years. With the new 1110, I think there will be more and more products like this. Whether you like something like this, like quite narrow, and you have 4 or 5 levels, or you would enjoy like a 2-level home, a cottage or a single family, that is based on people's needs. But I will have to say, with this location, this is unbeatable. It's only 5 minutes away to the lake park, and it has one of the best school districts in this area. And it's only priced at between 1.2 to 1.4 million, so around $800 per square feet. With this location, with just over $1 million, will you be buying something like this in downtown Kirkland? Let me know. We are here to help. I will see you next time.